on top Edo 2024 governorship election, PDP campaign still dey go strong as e don reach Uromi, Esa North-East and Igwebe local government area where PDP leaders dey try gather support for their candidates Asue and Ogie Esquire. The latest event wey shele on Friday, September 6, 2024 for Ogbonge Primary School for Uromi, where Edo Governor Obaseki for yarn the people say APC no want Esan person as governor, say make them back the PDP effort so the good work wey they don't do for Edo make it for continue.
APC wants, they don't want Esan to be governor. Small by small, we will build everything. So you need continuity.
The PDP candidate Asue for im part come talk say im go complete all the ongoing projects for Esa North-East and everywhere for Esan land, and come praise Governor Obaseki work and come promise say im go build on the strong foundation wey the current administration don set.
Any problem we go dey, we go solve am by the grace of God. Any problem when they come from for anybody, we go solve am by the grace of God.
The campaign train also visit Igwebe local government area where PDP chieftain High Chief Tommy Kimi and Governor Obaseki for call on the people say make them stand gidigba with Asue say in na the real Esa agenda.
It came out by the choice of Esan people. This is Esan land, Esa agenda. Nobody who has the blood of Esan land in his veins will do otherwise.
If Esan say yes, Nami go say no. Now that Esan say na Asue, not be Asue go be. But I thank God, say Esan get sense. They get sense well.
During the campaign, Dr. Asue for a talk with Tori people come here and say
people wanted to achieve a situation where our party had no candidate and they didn't care. And what would have been the consequence of that? PDP would have had no candidate, so the help and the progress of the people will become stunted and clearly shows lack of love for the people. So those are the things that truly hurt and bother me.
Earlier on, for Uromi, Esa North-East local government, Edo Governor Obaseki with PDP candidates Asue and Ogie and other PDP chieftains carry waka go visit the family of late Chief Tony and Nene and also visiting grave sites where they from pay their respect and offer prayers for the dead. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Edo Central Senatorial District, Ekata Ogie, TMC TV News.